I'm going to show you how to delete an item in the list box. So we need a command button and then change the caption of it into delete and the name of the command button. So in the form, we already have the list box, a text box, and a command button add. So we will now code and type the syntax. Type list item, that is the name of the list box, items that remove. So as you can see, the Visual Basic show an error because the syntax is incomplete. So we need to complete the syntax to generate the code. So the missing syntax is we need to specify what item will be deleted. So type list item, the name of the list box, and then the IntelliSense of selected item. Sorry, here it is. Let's try. First, we must add an item. Another one. So, as you can see, we can focus the specific item on a list box by clicking of it. So, let's try. We will delete the item paper. As you can see, the paper item was deleted. So the program is running. Let's try another one. It works. So the syntax is working. If you want to add a message box to specify whether the item is deleted, just type message box let's try. We will add an item and we will delete it. So this is how to delete an item into the list box.